Let we will discuss iron deficiency anemia. In that first we will discuss definition. It is a common type of anemia, is a condition in which blood lacks adequate healthy RBCs which affect the oxygen carrying ability of blood, causing unusual tiredness and other symptoms. This chart indicates when decrease the iron in the diet, resulting that may causes decrease the RBC production. When decrease the RBC production, that may leads to decrease the blood supply to the body. When decrease the blood supply to the body, that may affect the decrease the oxygen supply also. When decrease the oxygen supply to the body, that may causes develop the tiredness and other symptoms. And second one, we will discuss symptoms. In symptoms, initially iron deficiency anemia can be so mild and unnoticed. In severe cases, signs and symptoms that includes. Based on the severity, symptoms are classified into three types. First one, primary symptom, develop the tiredness, palpitation, dizziness and shortness of breath. In case of the severe symptoms, angina, headache, leg pain. In case of the long-term symptoms, burning sensation in the tongue and dryness in the mouth, throat, sores in corners of mouth. Yet we will discuss the third one, causes. It occurs when your body does not have enough iron to produce hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the part of RBC that gives blood its red color and enables the RBC to carry oxygenated blood throughout your body. Consuming enough iron, or if you are losing too much iron, your body cannot produce enough hemoglobin, and iron deficiency anemia will eventually develop. Causes of iron deficiency anemia includes the first one, blood loss. In case of the blood loss, blood contains iron within RBCs. So if you lose blood, you lose some iron. Risk of iron deficiency anemia are: women lose blood during the menstruation, peptic ulcer, colorectal cancer, GIT bleeding can result from regular use of some OTC pain relievers, especially aspirin. Then we will discuss the second cause of anemia is a lack of iron in your diet. Your body regularly gets iron from the food. If you consume too little iron, your body can become iron deficient. Consume iron rich foods includes meat, egg, leaf green vegetables. Later we will see the third cause is an inability to absorb iron. Iron from food is absorbed into your bloodstream in your small intestine, and intestinal disorders such as celiac disease, which affects your intestine's ability to absorb nutrients from digested food, can lead to iron deficiency anemia. We will discuss the fourth cause, pregnancy. Without iron supplementation, iron deficiency anemia occurs in many pregnant women because increase the source of hemoglobin for the growing fetus. We will discuss the fourth cause, complications. Mild iron deficiency anemia usually does not cause complications. However, left untreated, iron deficiency anemia can become severe and lead to health problems. For example, heart problem, second one, problems during the pregnancy, and third one, growth problems. We will discuss the fifth one, diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. If examine the RBC that appears small in size and pale in color, we will discuss the sixth one, pathophysiology of iron deficiency anemia. So this chart indicates predisposing factors like during the menstruation, because of genetics that may cause us blood loss, and next one, participating factors like inadequate iron intake and faulty iron diet and blood loss, and during the pregnancy, all are may causes decrease the iron intake as well as the blood loss. When iron depletion in the body by above causes, iron in the body is completely used up. Decreased iron reserves that may decrease the needed hemoglobin production, result in decreased RBC production due to the lack of hemoglobin, result in develop the iron deficiency anemia that may causes decrease the oxygen carrying ability of blood, and ultimately result in develop the unusual tiredness and other symptoms. We will discuss the treatment procedure of iron deficiency anemia. So in that first one, take iron supplements, example tablet ferrous fumarate, and second one, supply iron source of food, for example beef, eggs, cereals, dried fruits, and third one, in case of severe iron deficiency anemia, intramuscular injection is preferred, and fourth one, take iron tablets with vitamin C. Here vitamin C improves the absorption of iron.